God. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take this thing apart and attempt to get it ready for painting. You're a muppet.
What she said.
What are you doing? You sneaking your own intro?
No.
Sneak your own intro in.
Take the car apart. Now, go. We take the bonnety, lifty, uppy thingy off.
Now the lights are out of the way, we can drain the radiator, so we put a bucket underneath and we still managed to miss it.
With the radiator out of the way, we can now commence taking the body bolts out.
While I remove the headlight brackets.
With all the bolts undone, we can now lift the body off, and we managed to put it up on this very handy platform that we have next to us.
Then I set about taking the wings off, and whoever did this before us managed to use every single bolt under the sun.
With the running boards being removed, I set about taking the prop shaft off. Even that, they've managed to make a bit of a mess of it.
We then rolled the car forwards and I removed the engine and gearbox mounts.
So with the engine strapped up ready for lifting out, I take a quick last look to make sure nothing else is left connected, only to discover I've left the brake pipe connected.
And after sorting out Andy's predicament, we take the engine and gearbox out.
Don't worry, video. There we go. Apart from some bracketry, tidy off, clean up, bit of sorting out to do. Back springs got to be off, they've got to go away. Brake pipes probably come out, and then basically ready for paint. So, rest of it's pretty good, to be fair. Bit of tidying up to do. Motor, straight 6 motor. One motor. 1928, oh look at that. Gearbox coming off, it's really noisy in first gear, so we've got to do that. And that all just needs a really good cut paint. That's been done by the previous owner, or I think the previous owner who built it, but let's hope the engine's built better than the rest of the car, because the rest of the car is terrible. Anyway, off to the wash. So there we are, that's the worst of it washed off, ready for some paint, and hopefully in the next video we'll get some painting done. We also have to do the gearbox rebuild, so let us know if you want to see a more in-depth video on that. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.